Hello, it's Damien from Toolforce. We have a massive outdoor power tool sale on this weekend, an end of season sale. All items are reduced, almost clear. We have fantastic offers up to 70% off. Lawnmowers, strimmers, blowers, everything is all reduced. Again, limited stock, so if you see something you like, make sure and jump on it quick because they won't last. I'm going to give you a snapshot of some of the items that we have on offer. So we have this Bosch hedge trimmer. This is reduced to $89.95. It's a battery hedge trimmer. It's supplied with a charger and a battery. We have the leaf blower from Bosch, again supplied with charger and battery. It's 18 volt. This is $99.95 reduced down. Again, I think we only have maybe 4 of those left. So Makita as well is in the range. This is the 18 volt Makita leaf blower, and this is reduced to $79.95. We have the Draper battery chainsaw. So this is a 36 volt battery chainsaw supplied with 2 batteries and a charger. This is reduced down to €299. There's over €100 off this unit. And the Milwaukee is also reduced. So this is the M18 leaf blower, again reduced to $189.95. You'll be able to click the link on this video. It'll bring you to all the items on our website. Thank you very much for watching. It's Damien from Toolforce.